It's more like a freaking 600 to me.
All right, so we're gonna do this game here. It's called Guess the Grit. Why? Because before I was doing some sanding with my sandpaper and it came out terrible. The compound didn't want to work and nothing was working. So at the end, I narrowed it down to really bad sandpaper. So I want to see how bad is it by having an expert.
I'm not no expert.
But he knows and have dealt with sandpaper, so you can see he's always doing stuff. Let's see if he's able to tell the good sandpaper, which is 3M, and the bad one, because this one is from Amazon. It's assorted and is, not that great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let him feel the good ones, 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit, and 3,000 grit. And then I'm gonna put this chair in the middle, and then he's gonna reach below it and touch the sandpaper without looking at it and guess which one is it, which is 1K, 2K, or 3K. So here's the setup, he's the expert, here's the barrier, and here are the grits. So I'm gonna let him feel the good ones, which are these.
I saw it.
But you can see it now.
I'm cheating.
But these ones are the better ones. So let's see if he can guess it. Okay, so this is 1K. So this is 2K from 3M. This is 3K from 3M. So these are the bad ones. So I'm gonna shuffle it and see if he could tell the difference between them. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one first. You guys can see it. Now you gotta reach in and guess.
It's more like a freaking 600 to me.
Guess which one is it?
Well, I'm gonna guess that's a 1,000 since it's very strong.
He guessed that's the 1,000. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, gonna reach in. Let's see it.
Yeah. It's even worse. Judging by this one, and the other one was 2,000, this is 1,000? Fine, I'll take this is 2,000 then, even though it feels even stronger.
And then the last one is this one, which is that grade. Okay, now reach in, let's see it.
Okay, this is definitely the 3K then.
So, the first one, you guess it was 1,000. It was actually the 2,000 grit. Actually, you guess 600.
Yeah. Then I said 1,000 because it was too thick.
Exactly.
And the other one was even thicker.
And then this one is.
That's why I was gonna change it.
It was even thicker, and that's the 1,000. And this is the 3,000 grit.
Yeah, this one feels good. This one feels soft, but this one definitely feels way stronger than
the 2,100.
2,100.
So these ones were the ones I was using on my G35 that came out absolutely horrendous. And when I did the compound, it didn't want to work. And I was confused because these numbers are supposed to be compoundable, especially after 2,000 grit.
No, that's too strong.
Exactly. So these are the wrong thing. So if anything that we learned this episode of Guess That Grit is that it's one thing that you can't cheap out, and that's sandpaper. That's it, guys. God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.
And I'm keeping the sandpaper.